Hello, I'm Dr. Pradeep. I'm a practicing pediatrician from Hyderabad. Today, I want to discuss a simple topic, that is COVID vaccination in breastfeeding moms. Many mothers have asked me, Doctor, can I take vaccination because I'm a breastfeeding mom? Is it safe for me? Is it safe for the kid? So, coming to the guidelines from Government of India or guidelines from the Ministry of Family and Health Welfare, right now, as of May 19, 2021, they have given clear-cut guidelines that both vaccinations which are available in India, that is Covaxin and Covishield, can be taken by pregnant mothers and can be taken by breastfeeding mothers also. Pregnant mothers we'll discuss in the next video, but breastfeeding mothers, it is a guideline right now given by Government of India that they can go for vaccination. What is the timeline for vaccination? Right after delivery, you can take the vaccination right after delivery. There is no issue. Once you feel comfortable, once you are active, you can go for vaccination. And for Covaxin, it is 28 days gap between first and second dose. For Covishield, right now it is 3 months, that is 12 weeks between first and second dose. So mothers have a few questions. First question is, will me taking vaccine transmit the virus to the baby? No, virus is a killed virus in both of them. One is viral vector, another is an inactivated virus. So this virus does not transfer to your baby through breast milk. What does get transferred is mild IgG antibodies, which may help. There is a theoretical chance that the vaccine taken by you may transfer some immunity to your kid through breast milk. This is a theoretical chance that baby will also get some amount of immunity. As of now, because less than 18 years children are not allowed for vaccination, I think breastfeeding mother taking vaccination may help in well-being of the baby, and baby also recovering faster if at all they get a COVID illness. So coming to what precautions should I take before going for a vaccination? Okay, so see that you are not infected. So one of your family member or some other person has no in the family has doesn't have COVID. So one of your family members have COVID. That means there is a chance that you are also infected with COVID, and you have to get yourself checked through RT-PCR if you have symptoms or some family members is affected with COVID, and you have to wait nearly 3 months before you go for vaccination. The next thing is, I got a fever since last 2 to 3 days, and I want to go for vaccination. No, we do not recommend you to go for vaccination because you are having fever and you need to be evaluated. And during fever, the immunogenicity may be less because the body is fighting some other virus or some other infection. So the immunity which comes out through the vaccination may be less. And next thing is, I had complications during delivery. I had complications like high BP, and I have diabetes, and I have thyroid. Can I take vaccination as I'm a breastfeeding mom now? Yes, you can take vaccination. Only contraindication I feel that you have to visit your physician or gynecologist to check out is if you had a thrombotic episode. That means if there was a blood clotting episode during your pregnancy, then you have to visit your physician or gynecologist before going for COVID vaccination. And what are the side effects of these vaccinations? Do I have higher side effects than a normal population? No. The normal side effects are like mild body aches. You want to sleep all the time. That is called lethargy. There might be fever for 1 or 2 days, and then you will be active as usual. The one of the worst complications, as said for Covishield, was thrombotic episode, but it's a very rare occurrence. 1.5 to 4% in 10 lakh population had this effect, so it's a very rare effects. The side effects of these vaccines are very less, and the advantage far outweigh the side effects of vaccine and what they do to the general population. So maximum number of breastfeeding moms, when they are vaccinated, they are risk free and healthy from and recover faster from COVID infection. Since the whole population is going to get vaccinated, we don't want to exclude breastfeeding mom, because they will be at the highest risk if the whole population is vaccinated and they are left out. So we want every breastfeeding mom to go to the app, choose your vaccination, nearest vaccination center, and get vaccinated accordingly. It is advantageous to you, to your kid, and also to your family, because post vaccination there is less chance of having severe complications. You may have a COVID infection, but you will recover faster. You will have a milder disease. That is what this vaccination is about. Okay, thank you everyone.